Check out this adorable Matlacha cottage nestled just steps away from the heart of the island. This house was damaged from Hurricane Ian, and in March 2023, the owner had the home rewired, installed a new electrical panel and exterior electrical box. Roof was installed in 2020. This is the lowest price single-family home in Matlacha at this time. Tons of potential. Matlacha was hit hard by Hurricane Ian and is in the recovery phase. Be a part of the revitalization at this low price. This home is a blank slate waiting for your personal touches where you can enjoy the most beautiful sunsets.